In this video, we want to solve exponential equations using logs when like bases cannot be determined. Step one, we're going to isolate the exponential expression. We want the base and the exponent on one side of the equal sign by itself. And then we're going to rewrite that expression in logarithmic form. Reminder that the base stays the same, the exponent is what the log is equal to, and what the exponential is equal to becomes the parentheses for the log. So example 1, the base and the exponent, 9 is the base, x is the exponent, it's already by itself. So we're going to rewrite that expression in logarithmic form. The base is 9, and then the x and the 29 are going to switch. So we get log base 9 of 29 is equal to x. We want to solve the resulting equation for x. X is already solved for here, so we're going to type this in our calculator, just like we learned in the previous video. We can type in log 29, since we cannot actually type in log base 29, over log 9 using the change of base formula. And we get x is approximately 1.5325. Example 2, we want to get the exponential by itself, so the 5 to the 4x, we want to get that by itself. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So 5 to the 4x is equal to 86. We want to rewrite that as a log, so log base 5 of 86 is equal to 4x. And then we would divide that entire thing by 4. In the calculator, I would recommend typing it in separately. So we're going to type in the log 86 over log 5. Hit enter, and then we're going to take that answer and divide that answer by 4. So our final answer to number 2, x is equal to 0.6919. Example 3, we got to get rid of the 8 first, so we divide both sides by 8. 73 divided by 8 is not a whole number, so I'm just going to leave it as a fraction, 73 over 8. We're going to rewrite this as a log. Log base 13 of 73 over 8 is equal to 7x, and then we can divide both sides by 7. We can type that in the calculator. Log base 13 we can't type in the calculator, so we're going to use the change of base formula, 73 over 8 on top, parentheses, and then on the bottom, log base 13. I'm going to hit enter, and then we're going to divide that value by 7. So we get x is equal to 0.1231 if we round to 4 decimal places. All right, number 4, we're going to add 2 to both sides first. We're trying to get this e to the 4x plus 1 by itself. So we get negative 3 e to the 4x plus 1 is equal to negative 96. We can divide both sides by negative 3. So e to the 4x plus 1 is equal to 32. We're going to rewrite this as a log. So we get log base e of 32 is equal to 4x plus 1. Well, log base e of 32 is just natural log of 32, and that's equal to 4x plus 1. We can subtract 1 from both sides. The 1 has to stay outside the 32. We can't subtract 32 and 1, and that's equal to 4x, and then we divide both sides by 4. So since this is log base e, and we do have a button in our calculator that's log base e, we don't have to do the change of base formula this time, so we can just type in log 32. Again, the minus 1 has to stay outside the parentheses, and we divide by 4. And we get x is equal to 0.6164 if we round to 4 decimal places. I guess it would help if you could see. All right, ln log base e of 32 equals 4x plus 1. Log base e is ln of 32, which is equal to 4x plus 1. We subtract 1 from both sides. The 1 has to stay outside. And then we divide both sides by 4.